Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, and I just literally woke up from a 2-hour long nap. I wouldn't even call it a nap, I'll call it sleep, because it was a much needed R&R for me. I woke up, started my day at 4:30 in the morning, had a few sessions in the AM, just got back at 12 noon. And yeah, I was just so exhausted from working out, training clients, dealing with my online business, online clients, and I just needed this rest. So this is what I mean by taking care of your physiological needs first, is because you're gonna run into these roadblocks where you're just exhausted and you're just gonna be foot in mud, dragging throughout the day, half-assing your work. So make sure that you do take time for you. I do have a client meeting tonight around 8, so I just decided to record this video now and get it up there. But yeah, like, I just needed this rest and recovery, and I just feel rejuvenated, and I'm not gonna get to that point again. So making sure that I have my day scheduled and making sure that my physiological needs are met first before I can help others is key. So this was a great quick lesson for me, and a lesson for you guys as well. Take care of yourself first, because this is gonna boost your confidence, boost your productivity, and overall health of you and your business. So I'll leave you guys with this little quick note, and I believe this is episode 19, so we are cruising. Thank you guys for watching so far. If you're binge watching, awesome, thank you. But don't forget to like this video, comment, share it on all your socials, and yeah, holla.